Have you ever wondered what actually happens when you drink olive oil every morning on an empty stomach? Some people swear it changed their health completely, but is it really that powerful, or just another wellness myth? Hey everyone! Welcome back to Dr. Health Guide. I'm Dr. Health Guide, and today, we're diving deep into a question that's been trending everywhere: what really happens if you drink olive oil every morning on an empty stomach? Now, you might have seen influencers, nutritionists, and even some doctors recommending this simple morning ritual. But is it really worth the hype? Does it actually help your body, or could it have some hidden side effects? In this video, we'll explore everything: the science, the benefits, the right way to do it, and some important precautions you should know before trying it yourself. Let's start from the beginning. What makes olive oil so special? Olive oil is one of the oldest natural oils known to humans, used for thousands of years not just in food, but also in medicine and skincare. It's the foundation of the Mediterranean diet, which is considered one of the healthiest diets in the world. But what makes it so powerful? It's all about monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. These two components are like a dream team for your body. They fight inflammation, support your heart, balance hormones, and nourish your organs from within. And when taken on an empty stomach, your body can absorb these nutrients even better, because there's no other food competing for digestion. Let's start with the most popular benefit: heart health. Olive oil contains healthy fats that help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and raise good cholesterol, HDL. It keeps your arteries flexible, reduces plaque buildup, and protects your heart from long-term diseases. Studies have shown that people who include olive oil regularly in their diet have significantly lower risks of heart attacks and strokes. And when you take a spoonful first thing in the morning, it helps your cardiovascular system stay active and protected throughout the day. Think of it as giving your heart a natural daily shield. One of the most underrated benefits is digestion. If you often feel bloated, sluggish, or irregular, olive oil might help. It acts as a natural lubricant for your digestive system. Taking 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil on an empty stomach can stimulate bowel movements, help with constipation, and improve your overall gut health. It also encourages bile production, which helps your body break down fats more effectively during the day. That means better digestion and a happier stomach. Here's something you might not know: olive oil can help keep your blood sugar steady. When you drink it before eating, it creates a sort of protective layer in your stomach. This slows down how quickly sugar from your next meal enters your bloodstream. The result? Fewer energy crashes, less fatigue, and more balanced glucose levels. For people who are pre-diabetic or trying to maintain stable energy throughout the day, this is an excellent natural support. If you're someone who deals with joint stiffness or bone pain, listen carefully. Olive oil is rich in anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce pain and improve joint flexibility. It also supports calcium absorption, which means your bones become stronger and more resilient over time. For older adults or people with arthritis, adding olive oil to the daily routine can be a gentle, natural way to protect mobility and strength. Your brain loves healthy fats, and olive oil provides exactly that. The polyphenol and antioxidants in olive oil help protect neurons, reduce oxidative stress, and improve memory. Some studies have even shown that regular consumption of olive oil may reduce the risk of cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. Drinking it in the morning ensures your brain gets a direct dose of nutrients it can use to function more sharply all day. Now let's talk beauty benefits, because who doesn't want glowing skin and strong hair? When you consume olive oil regularly, the vitamin E and fatty acids nourish your skin from the inside out. They help maintain elasticity, reduce dryness, and protect against early aging. For your hair, it strengthens follicles, improves shine, and may even reduce dandruff by supporting a healthy scalp environment. It's like feeding your beauty from within, naturally. Your liver is the detox powerhouse of your body, and olive oil gives it the support it deserves. By stimulating bile production, it helps the liver flush out waste and toxins more efficiently. When you pair olive oil with a bit of lemon juice or warm water in the morning, you can kickstart your body's detox process and feel more refreshed. This is especially helpful for people who often feel fatigued or sluggish. Your liver might just need that little morning boost. This might sound strange, oil helping with weight control? But it's true. Even though olive oil is high in calories, it promotes satiety, meaning it keeps you full for longer. Drinking it in the morning helps reduce cravings and snacking later in the day. Plus, it balances blood sugar and supports metabolism, both key factors for maintaining a healthy weight. The trick is moderation. 1 tablespoon is enough. Healthy fats are essential for hormone production, and olive oil provides the perfect kind. It supports the creation of reproductive and stress-regulating hormones, helping your body stay balanced. Many people who experience mood swings, fatigue, or low energy notice improvements when they include healthy fats like olive oil in their diet. For women, it can also support menstrual health and skin clarity. We all know antioxidants help fight disease, and olive oil is loaded with them. It contains compounds that enhance the immune system's response to viruses and bacteria. Especially during seasonal changes or stressful times, a daily spoon of olive oil can act as a gentle immune booster. It's not a replacement for medical treatment, of course, but it's a powerful addition to a healthy lifestyle. The right way to take it. Alright, now that we know why it's good, let's talk about how to take it. The best way is simple. Take 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Consume it on an empty stomach, ideally before breakfast. Follow it with a glass of lukewarm water or lemon water. That's it. This combination helps the body absorb nutrients faster and starts your digestive system gently. But remember, moderation is key. Too much, like more than 2 to 3 tablespoons daily, can cause loose stools, discomfort, or unwanted weight gain. What to avoid? All olive oils are not created equal. You should only use extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, cold-pressed and unrefined. Avoid anything labeled light, refined, or pure. Those are processed and lose most of the beneficial nutrients. Also, store your olive oil in a cool, dark place. Heat and sunlight can degrade its quality. Who should be careful? Although olive oil is generally safe, a few people should consult a doctor before using it daily. Those with gallbladder issues or digestive disorders. People on certain blood pressure or diabetes medications. Anyone following a very low-fat diet. Always talk to a healthcare professional if you're unsure. Possible side effects. Even natural habits can have side effects if overdone. Taking too much olive oil may lead to loose stools or mild diarrhea, unwanted calorie intake and weight gain, rare allergic reactions in very sensitive individuals. The key is balance. 1 small spoon daily is usually more than enough. The bigger picture. Drinking olive oil in the morning isn't magic, it's part of a bigger healthy lifestyle. It works best when paired with a nutrient-rich diet full of fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Regular exercise. Proper hydration. Enough sleep. And managing stress. No single food can replace an overall healthy routine, but olive oil can definitely be one of your body's favorite allies. So, what really happens when you drink olive oil every morning on an empty stomach? You're giving your body a boost for your heart, brain, skin, and overall wellness. You're improving digestion, balancing hormones, and protecting your body with antioxidants. It's a small, simple habit, but with consistent use, the results can be genuinely impressive. Just remember, choose a high-quality extra virgin olive oil, stick to the right amount, and stay consistent. Your body will thank you in ways you can actually feel. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's looking to improve their health naturally. I'm Dr. Health Guide, and I'll see you in the next video, where we'll explore another simple daily habit that could make a huge difference in your health. Stay healthy, stay kind to yourself, and remember, small changes create big results.